Hello! Welcome to my channel, Elves at your service. It's a beginner guitar tutorial for Holy by Justin Bieber and Chance the Rapper. But before we proceed to our lesson, let's have a quick shout out. Shout out to Julian Jane Kwanan, Griona Riona, Zeruther, Channel TV, and Bangkok, Thailand, KLC, Sawadi. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga sumusubaybay at sumusuporta sa aking channel, which is ang Musikera. So, start na po tayo sa ating bagong lesson. Grab your instrument and let's begin! C. So, as if na ito yung first fret natin, kasi meron tayong capo. On the first fret, string number 2. On the second fret, string number 4. On the third fret, string number 5. C. Next, C over B. Just release this one, ring finger. That's it. Again, on the first fret, string number 2. On the second fret, string number 5. Next, A minor. On the first fret, string number 2. On the second fret, string number 4 and number 3. Last one is F. On the first fret, hold like this. On the second fret, string number 3. On the third fret, string number 5 and number 4. F major. Beginner, you can use F major 7. On the first fret, string number 2. On the second fret, string number 3. On the third fret, string number 4. Skip string number 6 and number 5. that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys had fun with the lesson, and if you did, just give it up a thumbs up and let me know in my comment section below. At salamat po sa lahat ng mga nag-like at subscribe sa aking channel, which is ang Musikera. At sa lahat po ng hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please don't forget to click like and subscribe, at wag din nyo pong kakalimutan na i-hit ang notification bell para updated po kayo sa aking bagong videos. Salamat po sa inyo lahat. Elves at your service. Bye!